Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I want to explore the FAO stat website. Here we have some very nice datasets. If you click here you will find different topics. And to be more specific about Qlik, I want to show you the Animator chart. It's not often used, but it's very nice, especially if you want to tell a story using Qlik. Okay. In this example I will go to the crops and livestock products. And here I will select all countries. Just area. Okay, we have a list of crops and other things, but I will just go for maize in this example and select all the years. If you want, you can pre-visualize the data, but in this case I will just click here in download. Now you can go to Qlik and find the file. First the column names will come up like this, but then you need to tell Qlik that the field names are embedded, so just click here on the top. The area column is actually the country name, so if you want to change the name of this column, you can do that here, or just use the as command in the script, but I will just leave it like this. We also have the year column and the values. Okay, so this is what we're going to use. I'll click here, insert script, and load data. Now the first chart is the line chart that I want to add. The dimension is first the year, and the measure is the sum of the value column. I will also add here the area, which is actually the country. And since we have too many countries, I'm gonna do one thing here. I will insert a table, a measure, and this formula here, concat distinct area, which is actually country. I will concatenate all country names with a comma, but I will also add a single quote in the middle. So click here, apply, and you will understand that in a second. In this chart, I will first select this year, and I want only the top countries, okay? I don't want to display all of these countries now, so I'll just select these ones, 11 countries, this is fine. Just be careful because China is showing up here twice. So let me just remove it from here. Now, here in this little box, I can click with the right button, copy the cell value, go back to the script, and add a where clause with the match function. So I will only load those countries that I have selected. Now I will add single quote, paste the values, single quote again, and close with the parentheses. Let me load it again. And now I can better visualize these countries, okay? Now let's go straight to the topic of the Animator object. Let me first delete this table. And the Animator is here in custom objects. So click here, you will find it here. Bring it to the page. Our dimension will be the year. So click here, find the year column. And look, I will not do anything now. I will just click here in done editing and click on the play button. It will start filtering the year field one by one in a sequence. As you can see, it's very slow. So let me first stop the process. Go back here to the edit mode, and we have some configurations. So here in Animator options, we can change the time between the steps. So now it's 4 seconds. Let me change this to less than 1 second. Now let's see how it goes. So it's very fast, as you can see, but this is not what I want. I want to filter it, but still keep the previous years. And to do that, we can go back here and just click on this button, aggregate. I will uncheck the loop. Now, if I clear this filter and start over, I will see the beginning of the story. So it's going step by step. I can see all the filters being aggregated. And now we can customize our chart. So let me go back here. I want first to change the colors with this 100 option. I want to change the line style, so make it thicker. Show the data points. Put some labels. And if you want to show all the years here, you can click here in the X dimension and you will see the number of X's value. If you set it to max, it will display all the values that you have in this dimension. So if I clear the filter, you will see all the years here, but since we have too many options, we can't see the labels. Now let me play it again. Let's see the effect. It's quite nice, so if you want to follow one specific country, like now I've just clicked in China, and I can see it going step by step. And that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe here to the channel. I have already some videos to post in the following weeks. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I see you soon.